Hi students of class 4. Till last day we have done the revision of chapter 2 till adjusting the volume of a speaker. Till this we have done. In this chapter we have learnt about what is Windows 7 operating system, what are the different features of Windows 7, what is the concept of library, what are the different components of the Windows Explorer window, how to set the date and time using the clock, and also we have done what is shortcut menu. Today we will start revision from page number 21. Everyone open page number 21. Desktop gadget we will do today. What is desktop gadget we will do, how to add desktop gadget we will do, and how to add sticky note. Sticky note is a desktop gadget. How to add that also we will do today. So let's start the class. Desktop gadgets are mini programs in Windows which offer information at a glance to us. For example, displaying the news headline on the desktop, displaying the weather forecast of today. This type of things we can do using the desktop gadget. When we keep track of what's happening in the news while we are working, this is the main purpose of the desktop gadget. Let us name some of the desktop gadgets like the clock, calendar, weather, feed headlines, slideshow, and a game is also there called picture puzzle. Okay, this is the concept of desktop gadget. What is desktop gadget? What is the use of desktop gadget, and some examples of desktop gadget. Now coming to how we add the desktop gadget. Very easy. Go to the start button. There you will find control panel option. Click on that. After that, click on desktop gadget to open the gadget library. When you click the control panel, a window will come. Over there you will get an option called desktop gadget. Click on that and the gadget library will be open to you. Next, drag or double click on any of the gadget. Many gadgets will be shown to you. Double click or drag it to your desktop. It will be added to the right side of the desktop, because left hand side usually we have the icons. Right hand side is usually free. On the right hand side we will get the desktop gadget that we have right clicked or we have double clicked. Then we have added, for example, suppose calendar and the clock. You can see page number 21, this last picture. You can see this calendar and this clock is added to you, added on the desktop. Okay. Now next, please turn the page. We can resize, move or customize the gadget as per our choice. Move the mouse over the gadget and click on the settings. Whenever we put the mouse on the gadget, a settings button comes on the right hand side top corner. Click on it, the settings window will open. Over there, do your changes according to your choice. Then don't forget to click OK button. And to click the OK button, whatever changes you have done, it will be saved and it will be shown on the desktop gadget. I think how to add the desktop gadget is clear to all. Now coming to the specific one, that is sticky note. How to add sticky note on the desktop. What is sticky note and what is the purpose of sticky note? Let us see. We were in page number 22 now. Sticky note is an application that is integrated in Windows. It is a small utility that allows us to create all kinds of notes We can make a list of items also using the sticky note. So, if we have certain important things to write and paste it on our desktop, what are the work we need to do in the next 1 hour, this thing also we can write on the sticky note and paste it on the desktop, so that it is easier for us to see the work at a glance and do accordingly. Now, how to use it? The format is already done. Next, we have to just implement it on the desktop and format it. Let's see how to implement it on the desktop. First step is go to the start button. Next, we have all programs on the start button list. Then over there we have the accessories. After accessories we click, we will get a list. From there we have to select sticky note. This is a very important application of Windows. Now it is displayed in the current window. Now whatever window is open, the sticky note is added to that window. Now to change the color, simply right click on it, choose your color from the shortcut menu. Okay. Next we have how your note can be automatically saved. Whenever you are making any changes on the note, make it and simply go out of the note. Your note will be automatically saved when you close that particular window to edit it. Okay. Next, to move the sticky note, just press the left mouse button on the title bar and drag the note and place it wherever we want. In this way we can move the sticky note from anywhere. To delete it, simply click on the cross sign in the title bar. In the title bar of the sticky note, you can see a cross sign. If you click that cross sign, the sticky note will be closed or deleted. To add a new sticky note, also a plus sign is there in the title bar. Click on that plus sign and a new sticky note will be added to the current window. Now here we finish the chapter 2 revision. Now I think everyone has got the chapter 2 book exercise and question answer. So now it's your time. After reading the chapter, today's revision, reading it, you will start writing the book exercise in the book and CW work in the CW copy. After finishing it, please send me the work as soon as possible at dphjhelpdesk@gmail.com @gmail.com for correction. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. So I will wait for your work to send at dphjhelpdesk@gmail.com for correction. So stay at home, do your work. Bye bye.